Hi, Michaela, John, and our very special friend, Chase, is here to do this with us, so none of this is real, guys.
And all the way from Georgia.
And, so let's get started. Okay, John, we're going to have a war, okay, with our RC cars. I know they're awesome. But, okay. Whoever can knock each other over wins. If you get mad at me like you always do, I'm going to get mad, okay? So how do you feel about that? Okay. Now, Chase, you get to tell us who knocked each other's over first.
All right.
So mine's going to knock over. I can bet on it that I'm going to knock his over. Okay. Ready, set, go! Whoever gets the most hits in wins, okay? And right now, I think I've gotten like 3 hits in, and you've gotten in like 2, so. And whoever gets up to 5 wins, okay? 4. Ouch! That's so ducking down. I can't get mine to turn.
Michaela wins because she has a awesome.
Holy crap. I won, though. You suck.
Sorry, guys. Michaela won.
So,
Nobody
are
cares.
you like gonna start a war with me? You are, aren't you? You're gonna start a war with me because you're running into me purposely. You're rude. All right. So we're going in our fort.
I was pushing back towards you.
Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna go in our fort because you started a war with us. And if this ends at 3 hours top, don't mind me. Are you hearing me?
You're doomed, dude.
All right, so we're gonna show our fort to all of our friends.
3, 2, 1, go. This is a very bright light right here. And here's a sleeping quarters, food storage, and makeup storage for her.
And
of course.
We're just gonna play for a long, long time. We got Legos and stuff because, like, when you get bored, you need something to do.
Yeah. Seriously.
Heck. So I hope he has fun in his fort because he so seriously started it. Right. So what do you want to do? You want to play the popcorn bag game?
Okay. All right, guys.
So you have to pick which bag has the good stuff in it. So we're gonna play Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo while we do this. Righty. Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. My mama said to pick the very best one, and you are not it. This one. Dang it. I kind of sort of felt them before I did this, but I'm pretty sure that was the one that I wanted.
She's a cheater.
I am not. See, I lost. No cheating done. But still, it's popcorn.
Ooh.
There might be extra stuff in it.
So,
So it's 12:10. We're going to keep checking the time, okay, to tell you what time it is. Okay? So we're going to have to pause and stuff, but the war's still on. Okay. Yeah. So...
Hi, Michaela.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to check my not famous, views. I'm gonna have to check my views. So, can you move my stuff? The stuff. Guys, I got this new computer yesterday because my mom told me I needed a new one. So, I got one. It ain't on right now, but turn it on. Awesome. Guys, I'm gonna be doing a YouTube video about Roblox, so if I keep talking to myself, it's on Roblox. Hey guys, Chase here, and today we are gonna do another Roblox video. Hit 5,000 views, I will make a one about spending spree on Robux. Very fun and very cool. Today we're gonna be going on Lovebug. Yay!
Alright, guys. He is still making a video, but I'm gonna have to pause for a few minutes, okay?
Okay, eventually, this is where I am staying. For now. Got pillows, a bear, and one flashlight. Well, they have a big old lamp. So, bye-bye.
Okay, so here should I see. Now we need to finish this class, so because
I'm already recording.
oh look, he came out.
Why? I'm sorry I got mad at you.
Oh, it's fine. I know you didn't mean no harm. See, a love tap will bring this back together. A love tap. A love tap is not that hard. Oops. That was a little. Here. I'll start going off really soon.
And then they married happily ever after. The end.
Not really. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. These RCs are from Walmart.
Remember to subscribe.
Okay, just give me a minute. I have something awesome to show you. Alright guys, it is 2 o'clock in the morning. I know. But that's how long we wanted to pretend that we were in war or whatever, you know. Just give me a minute. Boots! Chase. Look at that fuzzball of cuteness. This baby's name is Smokey. She is so pretty. I love her. I couldn't. And here's Boots. Boots is pretty too. She loves the camera. This one doesn't. Are you kissing the camera? Okay, thank you guys for watching. Me, Chase, and of course, John. Thank you so much for watching our video, and ta-ta!